Okay, my friends, and welcome yet again to another episode of Tony's Bits on the Side. Now today I'm doing a salad that my mother used to, or still does, make in the summer. It's Italian salad called Tonno e Fagioli, which is translated to tuna and beans. Now she used to make it with kidney beans. You can use any beans, these are just white haricot beans, but you can use whatever you want. And in that we have various other ingredients which I will introduce right now. So first of all we have some chopped up tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes, quite large cherry tomatoes actually, quartered. There's about 5 tomatoes in there. Gives it a nice bit of colour. Then I have half a sliced red onion, thinly sliced. Put one of those in there. And finally we have the star of the dish, or one of the stars of the dish, which is about 280 grams of tinned tuna. Put that in. Now that basically is the salad. However, every salad needs a vinaigrette, as you know. So, crack on with that. Okay, so this is my salad, or my version of a vinaigrette, should I say. First of all, we take 150 millilitres of vegetable oil. Remember, this will make more than enough for one salad. You can keep this in the fridge. So from 150 millilitres of oil, I put in 50 millilitres of, in this case it's cider vinegar, but you can use lemon juice or any other vinegar you want. I put in a little pinch of salt. Sugar, sorry, my bad. A tiny scant amount of garlic. You really don't want much in it at all. Probably equivalent of about, I don't know, 3 slices from a clove. You don't want it to be too overpowering. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard, actually a heaped teaspoon I think will do. Some salt, some freshly ground, get all of it, black pepper, and finally some small amount of finely chopped fresh parsley. And that is it. We will now put the lid on, give it a good shake. And that's it. All that's left to do now is to pour some of it over the salad. And mix it up. Some of the chunks are a bit big, and the tuna, you can break them up. And that, my friends, is my version of Tonno e Fagioli. Oh, this is delightful. Excuse me. This is absolutely wonderful, and again reminds me of my childhood. Eat this with a bit of crusty bread and it will be absolutely amazing. But as usual, if you like these videos, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.